Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South, State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
How to properly water and irrigate your lawn. Coming up next on Year-Round Gardening. Properly watering your lawn is vital for lawn health. It can make the difference between a healthy, vibrant lawn and a brown, patchy lawn. I'll give you some basic tips on how to approach watering your lawn. Consider the weather. Weather plays a role in how you approach watering your lawn. If the weather calls for consistent, steady rain, that should take care of your watering. However, if the forecast shows warmer, drier conditions, you'll likely have to do some watering to prevent turfgrass decline. A general rule of thumb: the Natural Resources Conservation Service recommends watering your lawn every 4 to 8 days for optimal health. Furthermore, the amount of water plays a role. Applying more water less often can promote deeper roots and healthier grass. Water in the early morning. Watering your lawn in the early morning gives grass enough time to absorb the water before the sun shines too brightly. If you were to water at midday, the water could evaporate too quickly. Also, avoid windy days, which can dry up the water before the soil has a chance to absorb it. Late afternoon is also a good time to water, though not as optimal as early morning. Avoid watering in the evening, as that could lead to unwanted fungal diseases. Keep track of how much you water. Like with many things in life, you don't want to water too little or too much. Generally, water should be absorbed 4 to 6 inches into the ground. To make sure this happens, you should provide 1 inch of water to a clay soil or a ½ inch to a sandy soil. To measure how much water you've used, you can use containers, such as soup cans, to monitor water application. After your container reaches 1 inch, you can stop watering. Check for overwatering. If you see pools of water on the soil surface, you're likely watering too much.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated, and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South, State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.